So what's this? AR, no?
Huh?
AR. And
Yeah,
here's my
shotgun, and then
shotgun.
automatic rifle, assault rifle. Can I still do that thing? Oh,
No.
because there's still bullets.
And start to shoot.
Okay, just put on safety.
So,
Here's your.
so one.
So you shot 2 or 3?
1,
2, 3,
4.
Is it 4?
3.
Oh, there 4.
Oh my god.
And you're gonna go and compete there. Are you serious? Are you serious? All right.
I can load your AR. Wow. Okay.
Then see where the red is going.
Why is it so heavy?
Ah, but you did well. We got.
Ha! I hit it!
Yeah.
Yeah, the last two were shooting there.
Hmm.
Oh my god!
Hmm. But you got 2 round about there. Got 2 to the center bullet, boy. 2, 4,
Wow.
6, 8.
Ooh. Ow.
I don't have to. Yeah, 1.
Oh, but big, a big. That
Huh?
was so close.
Hmm. Yeah, I think you shot mine. Not
No,
sure.
I shot mine.
Oh, is it? Oh, so I shot mine. Okay, I didn't know I had a headshot. All right.
Huh?
No, I didn't realize I had a proper headshot
That's me. I just did that now.
on mine.
No, on mine.
I'm talking about mine now. I'm saying I didn't realize I had a headshot.
Oh, so you're dismissing the fact that
Oh
my
no!
shot
Oh,
was not
sorry,
close.
sorry. Hey, don't- Go on. Complete. Look at this is you. This is me. And this is you. Well done.